Oh my goodness, SLP coin holder 30.53%, the price is increased now, so that's a really good news, my friend. And today, my friend, I will go on to predicate this coin again now, my friends, for my viewers, my subscriber, to really in upcoming 2 days they will more pump up or not, my brother. Absolutely, in the first week of this month, I already tell you, my friends, today will all month by all week, my friends, they will give you a profit. So absolutely, it's going to be right now, and you can see here in last 3 days they will get a 30% profit. So therefore my prediction is 100%, not my friend 50, 60, 100% profit, right, my friend. You can see 100% right now, because you can see here they will get a 30% profit. And I hope, my friends, they will easily hit now 0.1 USD dollar if the price will more, my friend, increase just in only, my friend, 10%. So I hope, my friends, they can do this now easily. But please, as you can see, my friend, this time the direction is also moving in upward direction, so that's 100% clear, my friends. To upcoming time the price will more increase now, but just in only if you are hold, if you are starting selling. So I can't expect, my friend, from SLP to they were moving upward. Absolutely, they were face down. So therefore, please believe me, my viewers, my subscriber, I hope they will give you a 0.1 USD dollar, but if you are just in only hold. Otherwise, my friend, remember to they will never give you a profit and they will lost very badly. So please be honestly hold now and don't starting selling, otherwise, my friend, we will lost all now. Let's see, my friend, this time if we check out. So this time in last 1 hour, last one day, last 7 days, all change occurring will be completely positive now and absolutely increasing. You can say the market rank is also moving upward. You can say 286. I hope they will easily come into top 100. So SLP coin holder, if you check out, so the price is very cheap now, 0.08 USD dollar. So if you want to buy, I think that's very cheap, so buy it easily now. All right, my brother, if you buy in today, so just and only sell at the end of month, I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends, so they will make you a millionaire now. See you next time, SLP coin holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.